And it's the appearance of Mr. Grey again. Are you coming to see what I'm doing, hey? Are you being nosy? Hmm? Hi guys, so if you didn't know, I have two cars. One is the M4 and the other one is the Lupo. Today I'm doing some work on the Lupo and I'll be showing you guys what I'll be doing. So this is my Lupo GTI. You can't actually tell from the video, but the paintwork is looking a bit old and tired. So hopefully in the near future I will be sending it to a body shop to get a full respray. But until then I shall be swapping out the old interior for some different interior. And if you're interested in how I did it, then keep watching. Okay, so starting with the rear seats, you need to lift this bottom part up and pull it forward. And behind here you'll see these two clips. Now you just need to unhook these. And once you've done one side, the other side should be easier to unhook. And do the same for the other seat. So now for the backrests, you just need to fold these down. My old press plate. Ah, I forgot about these. I'm going to keep them. In the centre there are two metal clips which you will need to pull out. I used a flathead screwdriver. And in the opposite corner there's this white clip which you will need to use a flathead screwdriver to turn so it releases the seat from the bracket. Then lift the backrest out in an angle. If you are wondering what's inside my SpongeBob tin, it's just a bunch of tools and some fuses, my towing eye. Great, I've just spilt them all over the floor. So to put the backrests back in, you're basically working in reverse order. Start with the centre first and then push down on the opposite corner to clip it back into the bracket. And don't forget to put the clips back in the centre. And I think you can figure out how to reinstall the bottom parts. Okay, so now for the front seats. Make sure they are pushed all the way forward on the runners
And right on the runner you see this plastic cap, this circle right here. These will need to be pulled out, they're on both sides. I just used a flathead screwdriver to prise them out. And underneath these caps you will just need to unscrew the screws. Now remove the plastic covers from the runners. Push the seat all the way back on the runners. And underneath at the front there are two 13mm nuts that you will need to remove. You should now be able to remove the seats from the car.
How weird does this look? I'm sat on the back seats. Definitely can't reach the pedals because I'm too short. But look at this. This is so weird. Proper crazy. So I'll just skip ahead to when I've got the front seats in and then I'll be all done. So in case you guys were wondering, the front seats originally came out of a VW Mark IV Golf R32 and the rear seats came from another Lupo. Now these were sold to me as a whole set, so the previous owner had the rear bench retrimmed to suit the front R32 seats. Now I was told that these were 100% direct fit, which wasn't entirely true because the front seats needed some tweaking done to them so they were able to fit properly. And what we had to do is we had to grind down the bottom of the runners, so when we put the seats in the car it didn't interfere with the carpet because it stopped us from moving the seats backwards and forwards. Other than that, everything fitted perfectly. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And in the future I will be doing more videos on the Lupo. But until then, drive safe and stay safe. Bye!